ABC4 News at 10 starts now.
Very good evening to you and welcome to ABC4 News here at 10 o'clock. I'm Sarah Murphy. Brian McElhatton has the night off. A lot of news to get into here on your Friday night, beginning with this. We've seen natural disasters impact communities across the country, from those devastating floods in Texas last month to wildfires right here at home. We're keeping an eye out for your safety tonight and how you can be prepared for a possible big one right here in Utah. Our Mackenzie Diaz went deep into the High Uintas to see how one summer camp is teaching their students to be firewise.
It's dinner time at Sunrock High Adventure Base Camp. And on tonight's menu, campers are cooking up steak and fries cooked over a fire. But beyond the food, the camp is also cooking up something important: wildfire preparedness.
We are currently in a high danger with fires right now, so we communicate that with all of our guests.
Tucked away in the mountains, you'll find the camp is more than just an outdoor adventure.
It's overcoming challenges and fears, growing, disconnecting. We don't have service up here on purpose. We are in a digital detox.
With no cell service, over 80 acres of campgrounds and 3 lakes, Camp Counselor Shad Stevens rings a bell when the camp is in danger. He also mapped out 4 evacuation routes because of the lack of cell coverage. The camp heavily relies on specialized technology.
We have Starlink that we can make internet calls with them at all times. But if there happens to be outside from the range of where we have the Starlink, we have a satellite phone.
And another tool, the Thor Guardian, a lightning detection system.
That gives us an idea when we have extra threat in the area that we can implement safety measures.
Even though campfires are part of the experience, safety comes first at the camp.
Every campfire's got 1, 2, and sometimes 3 fire buckets that are full of water that are sitting next to every fire at all times.
Talmadge Stevenson is camping out for 4 days. He knows what to do if a fire breaks out.
People underestimate how long fires actually burn, and just because you can't always see it, it's burning deep down, even if it's just coals or embers, and that can take hours. So water is just a quick way to put it out and safe, so you're not sitting by the fire all night.
In following the deadly Texas floods in July, Stevens says it's a wake-up call for all camps.
Why is this so important?
Such a tragedy. I mean, just we involved in the camping industry, you know, when it comes to youth camps, we do this for one reason: the love of youth. And to hear that such a tragedy happened is hard for all of us.
Reporting near Mirror Lake, Mackenzie Diaz, ABC4 News.